Welcome back! Today we're going to be learning to count and our colors with fruits and vegetables. In just a moment, we'll get started, but until then, listen to this awesome riff. Whoa! That was fun! Now let's find out what fruits and vegetables we have and put them in their correct color bin. Here we have a tomato. Tomatoes are good to slice for sandwiches or chop for salads. The tomato goes in the red color bin. Yummy! A strawberry. I love to sprinkle a little sugar on these and eat them as a snack. This will go in the red color bin. Oh boy! An apple. These are a tasty treat. You know what they say, an apple a day keep the doctor away. We'll put this in the red color bin. This is an eggplant. Eggplants are a vegetable and are a great substitute for meat if you're a vegetarian. This will go in the purple color bin. Yum yum, it's a plum.
Yummy.
Plums are a fruit. We'll place the plum in the purple color bin. Here is a bunch of grapes. They make great juice and jam. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 grapes.
Wow!
Let's put these in the purple color bin. Oh, fun! A pumpkin. We can make pie or a jack-o'-lantern out of this. We'll place the pumpkin in the orange color bin. Hey! What's up, Doc? It's a carrot. Bunnies love carrots. Let's place it in the orange color bin. And here we have an orange. Oranges make juice and are packed with vitamins to keep us healthy. Let's put this as the orange color bin. Here is a cucumber. These are great for salads or making pickles.
Tasty.
We'll put this in the green color bin. Powerful broccoli. Broccoli is packed with nutrients. Let's count the heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 heads. Let's place this in the green color bin. Here is a lime. Limes are a parent's favorite paired with salt. Let's put this in the green color bin. A banana. Monkeys love bananas. We'll put the banana in the yellow color bin. An ear of corn. Corn is a dinner time favorite. Let's count how many rows of kernels there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. Let's put this in the yellow color bin. A lemon. Lemons go great paired with a water. Let's put this in the yellow color bin. We are all done. That was a lot of fun learning fruits, vegetables, colors, and to count with you today. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more fun learning activities. Until next time.